Yasmin, one of the creative designers here at Sizzix. Today I'm going to show you how to make an autumn wall design which is going to take your living space from being summery to nice and cosy for them warm winter nights. Here's how I created it. You'll want to start off with painting your canvas grey. You'll need 3 of these in total. So I'm just going to blob some grey paint and then start to paint. I've decided to use the Tattered Leaves dye for my design. So matching my paper with the colour I've just painted the canvas, just pop this on top like so. To create my 3D leaf, all I did was carefully fold in half, and then using my tool, just bending the card over. So to create the gold leaves, all I did was spray paint some plain white paper, then cut out using the dye. In total, you want to create 24 leaves, 8 gold and 16 grey. I've already stuck these leaves down. The effect I'm going for is an archway that eventually leads to this canvas. Placing my leaves down, I then just want to pop some glue right down the centre. And then carefully glue down. And I want to do this for each leaf. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to visit our website, which is sizzix.co.uk, where you'll find more inspiration and more makes.